Will this juice make your face glow like the sun? The truth behind the viral skin drink. Can a homemade juice made with beetroot, carrot, ginger, almonds and flaxseed really make dark spots and freckles disappear? A viral health post claims that drinking this juice every morning can make your face glow, reduce dark spots and even remove freckles within 3 to 4 weeks. But is this actually true? Or is it simply another viral health hack circulating on social media? In today's video, we're going to examine this recipe ingredient by ingredient. We'll discuss what these foods can actually contribute to your health, why dark spots appear, and what you should really do if you want healthier looking skin. So stay with me until the end. Let's first look at the recipe. You need 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, a small piece of ginger, 5 almonds, 1 teaspoon flaxseed powder, half a glass of water, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon desi ghee. The recipe suggests blending the beetroot, carrot, ginger, almonds and flaxseed with water. Then strain the mixture and add lemon juice and desi ghee. The viral claim recommends drinking this every morning for 3 to 4 weeks. The claim is that dark spots and freckles will disappear and your natural facial glow will return. But here's the most important distinction: a nutritious drink is not the same thing as a skin treatment. And that's the key point of this entire video. Let's start with beetroot. Beetroot contains various nutrients and naturally occurring plant compounds, and it can certainly be part of a healthy, balanced diet. But you may have seen claims online such as, beetroot detoxifies your blood and clears dark spots. That's an oversimplification. Your body already has sophisticated systems for processing and removing waste, including the liver and kidneys. So it would not be accurate to say that beetroot is a special, blood detox treatment that will remove pigmentation from your face. Yes, beetroot can be a nutritious food, but remember, nutritious food does not automatically mean guaranteed skin treatment. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is an important nutrient for normal skin health. However, that doesn't mean eating more carrots will automatically make dark spots disappear. Skin health is influenced by many different factors. These can include sun exposure, genetics, hormones, inflammation, acne, skincare products, and overall lifestyle. So yes, include carrots in your diet because they are nutritious. But don't think of carrots as a medicine for pigmentation. Now let's look at the remaining ingredients. Ginger. Ginger has been used in food and traditional diets for a long time and contains several bioactive compounds. Almonds. Almonds provide healthy fats, protein and nutrients such as vitamin E. Flaxseed. Flaxseed provides fiber and a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid called ALA. All of these foods can be part of a balanced diet. But once again, combining these ingredients into one drink does not guarantee that dark spots will disappear. What about lemon and desi ghee? Now let's talk about the two more unusual ingredients in this recipe, lemon and desi ghee. Lemons are a source of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for the body. But there's an important warning here. Do not assume that applying lemon juice directly to your face is a good idea. Citrus juice can irritate the skin and, under certain circumstances, can cause skin reactions when combined with sunlight. So there's a big difference between eating a food and applying it directly to your skin. Now, what about desi ghee? Ghee provides fat and calories, but there is no established rule that adding 1 teaspoon of ghee to this juice will make dark spots disappear. So think of it as an optional dietary ingredient, not a miracle skin ingredient. The real question: why do dark spots appear? Now let's get to the most important scientific question. Why do dark spots appear on the face in the first place? There can be many different causes. For example, pigmentation after acne, dark marks following an injury or inflammation, certain hormonal changes, some medications, skin irritation caused by certain products, and sun exposure can also contribute to or worsen pigmentation. The American Academy of Dermatology explains that treatment for hyperpigmentation depends on identifying the underlying cause. That means if your dark marks are caused by acne, simply drinking a juice won't treat the underlying acne. If pigmentation is related to hormonal changes, the approach may be completely different. And if sunlight is making the pigmentation worse, sun protection becomes extremely important. So don't focus on just one drink. Understand the cause first. One of the most important skin habits, sun protection. Now pay close attention to this part. If you're serious about managing dark spots and pigmentation, don't focus only on expensive juices, supplements or home remedies. Make sun protection a priority. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends using a broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. And sunscreen isn't just for the beach or summer. It can be an important part of your everyday skincare routine when you're exposed to sunlight. You can also use other forms of protection, such as shade, protective clothing and a hat. For people dealing with pigmentation, consistent sun protection can be especially important. In some situations, tinted sunscreen containing iron oxide may provide additional protection against visible light, which can be relevant for dark spots. Can dark spots actually be treated? Yes, but the treatment depends on what is causing the pigmentation. If acne is responsible, treating the acne may be necessary. If there's an underlying skin condition, that condition needs to be identified. And in some cases, a dermatologist may recommend specific treatments. So if your pigmentation is persistent, getting worse, or you aren't sure what is causing it, consulting a dermatologist is a much more sensible approach than relying only on a viral home remedy. And there's another important warning. If a mole, freckle or other skin mark changes in size, shape or color, don't simply assume it's harmless. It's worth getting it checked by a qualified medical professional. So, should you drink this juice? Now let's answer the practical question. Can you drink this juice? If you don't have an allergy or a medical reason to avoid any of these ingredients, most of them are ordinary nutritious foods that can be included in a balanced diet. But don't market this drink as a dark spot removal drink or a treatment for freckles. Instead, think of it as a nutrient-rich homemade drink. And most importantly, don't expect guaranteed results in 3 to 4 weeks. Skin changes vary from person to person and depend heavily on the underlying cause. Powerful ending. So, friends, beetroot can be nutritious. Carrots can be nutritious. Almonds can be nutritious. Flaxseed can be nutritious. Lemon provides vitamin C, but no single juice is a complete solution for every skin problem. If you want healthier looking skin, think about the bigger picture: balanced diet, adequate sleep, hydration, regular physical activity, gentle skincare, daily sun protection, and when necessary, professional dermatology advice. So the next time you see a social media post saying, "Eat or drink this one thing and your dark spots will disappear forever," don't immediately believe it. Ask one simple question. What is the scientific evidence behind this claim? Because healthy looking skin doesn't come from one viral recipe. It comes from good information, healthy habits and consistency. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe for more practical health and lifestyle content. See you in the next video, where we'll uncover the truth behind another viral health claim. This video is for general health and skincare awareness only. It is not a diagnosis or treatment for any skin condition. If you have persistent, unusual or changing dark spots, freckles or other skin marks, consult a qualified dermatologist.